Reading my fidgets, part 1, because this is probably going to take a while. Okay, so first off, I have this boba poppet. Some people call it milkshake or just smoothie poppet. I like to call it boba poppet since the poppets are circles, so it looks like little boba balls. I probably rate this boba poppet a 7 out of 10. I love that it's like a boba, and I also like its style. But when I got it, like I didn't do this, but when I got it, it had like a little hole right here. But it still works, so yeah. Next is I have this cute little reindeer squishy, and it's super detailed. Like it has this little, it's super cute. It's supposed to be like a cake that's a reindeer, so it's like a cake and it's also a reindeer and it's also squishy. It's super detailed, and I rate this a 10 out of 10. Super duper squishy. And then next I have this hamburger poppet. I do also like this hamburger poppet, and whenever I play with it, it reminds me of like, I don't know, something super duper cool. I really like this poppet, and it sounds amazing. And I love the little like hamburgers on it. And next I have this popsicle poppet. One of my first poppets, this used to be my favorite poppet when I only had 3 poppets. I probably rate this a 5 out of 10. And the last, oh no, we're going to do 2 more, and then we have to probably make a part 2. So I have this yellow infinity cube, which I love the colors. The colors are so cute, and I just can't get over the colors. Like, look at that. I've seen the pink and blue ones, which I really want, but I still really like these colors too. So I rate this an 8 out of 10 because 1, I don't think for some reason I really like doing it with one hand. 2, I don't think it's just that satisfying. I only like it because of the colors, and it looks pretty, and it's easy to hold with one hand. So yeah, and our last one we're going to do is this big guy. Okay, so we have this gigantic stress ball. Look how big it is. Gigantic. I only got this for $1 at the dollar store, but so it's kind of like a shaggy stress ball. It's an air stress ball. Look at this. Sorry, the camera is so wiggly. Okay, so I know what I'm gonna rate this. I'm definitely rating this a 10 out of 10. Super amazing. Come back for part 2. Bye.